Hello, this is Matilda Visits. This is Matilda Visits from New Zealand, the spiritual home of the Schaller family. Well, at least part of the Schaller family. Matilda Visits today comes to you from Palmerston North. Absolutely fantastic city, the sunshine is on, and we are going to see the rural games which are held here in the city square of this city of about 80,000 inhabitants.
Do you want a pink one? That's not a Schlange, sweet. It's a pink. Fun Wonder, it's a bogan unicorn. Two men's got a
We have got the final moments for the pathway to go Winedale Racing. They're about to hold their finals. And entries at the moment are a little bit light, so you've got a wonderful opportunity to win some councils, also some sprayers, and open to kids, women, and men. So here on the day arena event, the Winedale Racing is about to get underway. So we've got a few minutes left, and of course the end toss and throw this afternoon.
Yeah,
He's getting more instruction than what gives him when I'm waiting hard from the pub. There we go, 190, 200. He's taking a while with it. Tom's attacking out to 220 now. Lots of effort and not much ability.
well, they don't put this on the tourism ads, but they definitely should. Here we are today at the rural games, something that is very authentically New Zealand. There's coal shoveling, tree climbing, sheep shearing, barrel rolling, and who knows what else, but it's very, very unique to New Zealand, let's say.
So, and here at the rural games, you actually get some coffee for free, brought to you by Toyota and the unbelievable Hilux.
Yeah. So it's a little bit messier on the sides with
Well, that was it from Matilda Visits Palmerston North and the rural games that took part here today. We're now heading off to Waituna West, where our good friends Rachel and Alex got married yesterday. Congratulations from our side for both of them. You might remember Rachel from Matilda Visits London again, and Alex, of course, from the episode Matilda Visits Melbourne. The links to both these episodes you'll find in the description below. So thanks very, very much for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and we'll see you again soon. Bye!
A snake coming right up. Hello, this is Matilda Visits, and we're having a group. This is Marshall, come from Matilda, and he's a cranky Marshall. And